I don't know how well you can see this with the glare, but this is a west-facing windowsill that I've used to sprout my my little plants, and as you can see, they're kind of getting big. Big one right there is a watermelon, and that little crinkle-shaped leaf. I didn't see it yesterday, and definitely not today's Sunday. Definitely not on Friday. So that thing has really exploded. And actually, this little one right here, the tomato, that one has two. It's just less than a week ago it was only the seed leaves, and now it's starting to really grow actual leaves. So some watermelons, and then I've got 3 cups with basil growing here. And then over here, I've got some parsley, these 3, and then these 4 are a variety of French cantaloupe called Prescott Fond, and they look gorgeous. Apparently they have like a floral kind of a fragrance too. They're really fragrant. So I'm only really going to plant 2 of them, but I really want to make my chances good of getting a couple cantaloupes. So I've got 4 plants there, and then little tiny parsley plants. I planted these a couple of weeks later than the bigger ones down here. I just transplanted these from my little growing tray, so they're kind of all different directions, but when the sun comes out, probably by tomorrow, they'll all be facing the sun. And this is my little growing tray here. I start out with these little pods and pop the seeds in. These 2 are a type of cabbage. They don't really seem to be doing too well. They may need colder air, but we'll see. And then the other stuff down here, I'm not really sure what all this is, but I have a chart that I made to keep track of it. And then, when it grows and stuff, you kind of get a better idea of what it is, because you can tell by looking at it. Oh, this here is something I'm really excited about. I don't know if you can see them too well, but these guys, little tiny things here, I just took the plastic off. I had the whole thing wrapped with plastic wrap to make like a little, I can't think of the name. Anyway, little tiny leeks, and I have a bunch of seeds in there. And what you do is when they get maybe 5 inches or so high, is you take the whole block of soil out and separate them gently, and then you dig a hole about 6 or 7 inches deep, and then you drop the leeks in there, and well, actually you make the hole about the height, just about an inch shorter than the leek itself. So I guess it's relative how deep you make it. But then you drop the leek in, and you fill the hole with water, and that's all that you need to do. And what happens is the leek grows to fill the hole, and you don't get dirt inside of the leaves of the leek. So this is something I've never grown before, but I'm hoping, I get. Apparently they're easy to grow, so hopefully I'm lucky and I get some leeks. But yep, here's my greenhouse. My little windowsill greenhouse. That's the word I was looking for. But yeah, this is how the magic happens. So, my little plants.